Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 25, OV 12. चरित नभे हा सोमकांत साई कथा चंद्रामृत स्रवत भक्त चकोर तृषाकुलित होवोत तृप्त मनसोक्त. This is not a story but Somakant, from which the stories of Sai ooze like nectar from the moon, which the thirsty devotees like the chakor may drink to their fill. आता प्रेमळ श्रोते जन संकोचरहित एकाग्रमन परिसोत या कलिमल दहन कथा पावन साईंच्या. Now, loving devotees, with full concentration and without restraint, listen to these pious stories of Sai, which would destroy the sins arising out of Kalyug. जडली एकदा अनन्य निष्ठा ही त्या भक्ताच्या सकळ अनिष्टा वारुनी अर्पितो तया अभीष्टा तयाचे कष्ट निवारी. Once there is singular faith, then all the calamities of that devotee are warded off, and he is granted all that is desired deeply. All the difficulties are resolved. ये अर्थी एक वार्ता दावील साईंची भक्तवत्सलता श्रोती परिसता ती सादरता आनंद चित्ता होईल. Here is a story to that extent which will demonstrate Sai's love for his devotees. If the listeners hear it with respect, they will feel happy. तरी लावुनिया जीव कथा ऐका ही अभिनव पटेल मनास अनुभव कैसी दयार्णव गुरुमाय. Therefore, listen with full involvement to this marvelous story when you will experience what an ocean of compassion Guru Maya is. कथा जरी ही बहु तोकडी अर्थावबोधे अति चोखडी अवधान दीजे एक घडी सरतील साकडी बाजूला. It is a very brief story, yet without parallel because of the lesson it teaches. Pay attention for a while, and all the problems will be driven away. अहमदनगरचे सुखवस्त कासार एक धनवंत दामू अण्णा नामे भक्त पदीजे अनुरक्त साईंच्या. One prosperous devotee called Damu Anna was a well-to-do bangle merchant of Ahmednagar. He was greatly devoted to Sai. तया परम भक्ताची कथा आनंद होईल श्रवण करिता भक्त रक्षण तत्परता दिसेल प्रत्यक्षता साईंची. The story of that excellent devotee would be a delight to listen to, and Sai's immediate protection of the devotee will be distinctly seen. रामनवमी वार्षिकोत्सवी मोठी दोन निशाणे नवी निघती मिरवीत शिर्डी गावी आहेत ठावी तत्रस्था. At the Ram Navami annual festival, two big new flags are taken in procession through Shirdi village. Everyone there knows about it. त्यातील एक निमोणकरांचे दुसरे या दामुअण्णाचे नेम हे त्याचे कैक वर्षाचे भक्तिप्रेमाचे अव्याहत. Out of these, one is from Nimonkar and the other one from this Damuanna. This has been their practice since many years, carried out uninterruptedly with love and devotion. दोन स्त्रिया दामुअण्णास पुत्र संतती नव्हती त्यास लाधुनी साईंच्या आशीर्वादास पुत्र रत्नास पावले. Damu Anna had two wives, but no issue. After receiving Sai's blessings, he got a son.